I want to thank you for having me, and I also want to take this opportunity, perhaps to be one of the first Jewish leaders to thank the American Muslim community. As many of you know, the Jewish cemetery in St. Louis was vandalized by anti-Semitic thugs recently, and the American Muslim community has joined together and has raised money to restore that cemetery. And as of this morning, you, our Muslim friends and neighbors, have raised more than 3 times the amount of money that you set out to raise. This is a wonderful gesture of friendship and of salam. And with this act alone, I believe that we Jews and Muslims together have begun to transform the narrative of what our relationship can be like. So, Sheikh, I am really profoundly grateful to you.
I mean, I appreciate that, and I wish we could do more. And I've always said that, you know, interfaith relationship should go beyond dialogue. And this is a good sign, not just meeting and talking. Now, we need to meet and talk in synagogues and mosques and churches, etc. But doing things together, coming together to ensure that both the communities are better understood and live with more harmony, and something like that, to see the Muslim community coming out. And, you know, someone told me just recently that there was a relief program, fundraising program, organized by a Muslim organization. And the person was telling me that, lo and behold, they saw non-Muslims pledging to give money, thousands of dollars, in a Muslim relief program. So, you know, that's the kind of action we want to see that will really bring people together, not just talking together, but living together and being realistic. And that, I think, speaks volumes.
I think you're absolutely right. I think whatever else is happening